Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can install local large language models. We can have our own like ChatGPT type of local models, and this will be totally offline, and we don't need to pay any subscription. This won't be a too powerful model like the ones that in the market, but it can do some type of help in offline mode. We can feed the LLM AI models with the PDF files, and then we can start talking to the PDF files, and we can make some search on our PC, and this will be totally offline on our devices, or we can just simply uh, ask the AI to do some grammar checks on our emails. So first I'm going to show you how to install the Ollama software and download the model, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how we can create our own models for the specific purposes, and then I'm going to show you how we can install some extension on the Google Chrome. Then we can use our local large language model to do some search online, but using only the local model on our devices. First, we go to ollama.com and then download the file, installation file. When we click on the download, we will have this option. In this case, I have the Windows PC. After we download the setup file, we just run the setup file and then click install, and then it's going to extract all the files and folders into the right place. After we install the Ollama software, we will see this interface, which is a beautiful interface because previous versions there were only the command prompt available on Ollama. It was just something like this. We will be only able to see and run the large language models on the command prompt. It was always dependent on different software. It's again not fully large language model interface like the ones that in the commercial ones like ChatGPT or Gemini. In the future, they will do some improvements. That's why I will just quickly show you this interface. Then I want to show you how we can install an extension on the Chrome to use this Ollama. It will have better interface. I will just quickly show you that one. So in this one, I want to show you the downloaded models. In here, you can also select and download models, or you can simply go to models in Ollama website and find the any type of models that suits your PC, so you will be able to see this size. For example, you can just go to this DeepSeek and you can copy this code and simply paste it into your command prompts, and then it will start to download this model on your device. Then you will be able to use it. Of course, if you are using a like this much small model, it won't be the best one. You can't compare it with the other commercial ones. It's good for the simple tasks. Let's go back to the Ollama interface. So let's say we are just looking for an assistance for the code. Let's say we want to have a Python code help. So this is just a simple request, and then because this is a really small model, I just want to show you something while it's loading the answer. It's a little bit fast. We can run the Ollama ps command, and we will be able to see the what type of resources it's using on our device. So in this one, it's using the 27% of my CPU and 73% of my GPU. So it's just sharing the load between the CPU and the GPU. This depends on your hardware setup. So this is not a big model. That's why I get the answer too quick. So I'm going to do the same question in a new chat, GPT-1. So this is the GPT model, open source one from ChatGPT, OpenAI. It will take a little bit longer. Okay, this is a little bit larger model. That's why it's giving the response slower. And this is a thinking model. Let's see. So it's using the 100% of the CPU. So this is a larger model than the previous one. It was 20 billion one. So, and it was a thinking model. It took little bit longer than the other one, but response was better than the other one because we can see thoughts of this model. It just gave us better Python code and it just explained us how it worked. There were less explanation and this was a better result. Now I want to show you a Chrome extension. We can use this Ollama local AI models with this page assist. Okay, this extension you can search in the Google Chrome's extension store. If you want to open the extension store, you just click these three dots on the right hand side and then choose this extensions options and click this visit Chrome Web Store and it will open us the option. Page Assist is the name of the extension we want to install. Simply we click on this button, add to Chrome and add extension. So it downloaded this extension and installed into our current profile. We can click this extension and pin it. This way when we reopen this window, we will be able to see this chat option. When we open this extension, it's checking if the Ollama is running behind the scene. We can also check it from here, or we can simply open command prompt and we can just type Ollama list and we can just see if it's running, what type of models we have. Before we start, we need to choose this settings. We need to choose this rag settings. Rag is needed for the PDF files. If we want to attach any PDF files, it's helping AI to learn, read all the documents. So we can use this coder model. We can also do some changes. Let's say if you have another server in your local network that's serving the Ollama. Let's say you have a larger server and you can change the Ollama URL from here, then you will be able to access more powerful models local network. Again, it will be offline, like only on your network. So I just want to enable this Chrome AI support page assist. We can also add different provider. If you don't want to use the local AI, we can use online other service providers like Gemini, DeepSeek, that type of models. From here, this is the simple view of the command that we type on the command prompt. We see the models that we have, and this view we can create our own knowledge base. We can simply click on this button and upload files, name this knowledge base. At this stage we can create our own prompt. I'm going to show you this one in the other video. I want to quickly make another test. I'm going to select this QN coder model. Let's enter the same prompt. I just want to see what type of answer we can get. It's giving a little bit more details about the code. It's even explaining us how to run the code. It's better than the result that we get on the Ollama interface. I'm going to focus on only this extension in the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching.